In order to reduce the hardship caused by coronavirus pandemic among the household, the federal government of Nigeria commenced the distribution of 20,000 naira to poor and vulnerable persons in Jigawa states. The distribution, which is expected to cover 9 local government areas of Jigawa states, started with the Katanga, Kwanda, Andaza, Katuka and Shuarin communities in Kyawa local government area. The exercise, which is also commenced almost 3 years ago, has been identified by the beneficiaries as a gesture which improved their living conditions. The Jigawa State focal person of the social investment program, Malam Bala Usman Chamo, while inspecting the pay point, expressed delight with the conduct of the beneficiary on how they are complying with social distancing. Malam says the federal government is making advance payment of 20,000 naira, which covers January to April 2020.
Remember, the president gave directive that even the previous month that were not paid should be paid, and even the upcoming month, that is from January to April, and this means about 4 months. And we know that it's 5,000 naira every month. So if you add all the 4 months, it will be 20,000 naira. That's actually what we are giving, and that's what we are trying to do, especially as directed by the president. And we are aware that the Honorable Minister of the Ministry of Humanitarian and Disaster Management has also launched the program in Abuja, and that actually is something we expect, and that is what so, but before we commence the program, we are able to mobilize our population and tell them this is the direction of the home of His Excellency the President of the country, and this is what we expect. We usually look at the demand of social distancing, and of course the personal hygiene has been directed by the state government and the federal government. So we're trying to see how we can encourage those principles while paying these beneficiaries.
More than 100,000 households are expected to receive the advance payment of 20,000 naira in Jigawa states. Yusuf Emisa, JTB News.